Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Whoops! Oh, shit! Oh my gosh! Anong nangyari dun?
76 for 76.
Keep right.
That helps. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Prius! Prius! He'll start Priuses. Yeehaw to you!
Go ahead, man. Yeah.
I remember seeing the video and hearing the audio. There was the infamous Hollywood George Clooney fundraiser where he was wandering around confused and Barack had to take him by the hand. And
get wasabi and the other stuff, that's ginger. Holy God, why is this car?
Oh my God! Go!
What the fuck, you stupid mother. What the was that?
Idiot. Go, 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 go. No, no, no! Oh my God. That is so dumb, dog. Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
But lots of sunshine. This weekend we do have a chance of showers tomorrow in the morning, and then the Sunday you'll see a chance of showers in the
Okay,
afternoon.
Garmin.
For the
Save
most
video.
part, sunshine is
Mas que parada mais sem noção é essa, velho?
fucking luck.
If I would want to live right there at the Commons or not. 'Cause it's like,
On one hand, free music. On the other hand, free
yeah.
Ooh.
Come on, let's go.
5-minute breakdown of this guy's insane criminal history. And even when he's convicted, even when they find him guilty by a jury of his peers, guess what? He gets
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.